Hello, and welcome to JBJS Journal of Orthopedics for Physician Assistants. I'm Dagan Cloutier, editor of JBJS JOPA. I'm here today to share with you some exciting changes to JOPA that we think will make your educational experience more convenient and accessible. JBJS JOPA now includes a CME membership package, which allows PAs and MPs access to over 50 new Category 1 CME credits each year. The JOPA CME membership includes access to JBJS Reviews, a review journal from JBJS, which publishes a new review article each week with a CME activity following each article. Let me now just take a moment to share with you some of the features on the JOPA website. The JOPA site helps you find the orthopedic content you are looking for, whether it's from the current JOPA issue or past issues. Each issue includes articles from the past quarter. You can sign up to be notified when a new article is published. Each issue covers an array of topics including case studies, review articles, image quizzes, and professional experiences. The archive to the JOPA monthly image quizzes, which provides a brief review on a variety of orthopedic topics, can be accessed using the link Image Quizzes. JOPA also invests each year in conducting a salary and call report study. If you want to know what your peers are making, what their benefits are, how many hours they work, or if you want to compare your productivity to other orthopedic PAs, the JOPA Annual Salary and On-Call Report provides you with the latest data. Our search feature results now include articles from JBJS JOPA and JBJS Reviews, giving JOPA subscribers access to a larger volume of content across all orthopedic subspecialties. You may type in your desired topic in the search bar, such as Achilles tendon, and related literature review articles will show in the results section. The large volume of articles in the JOPA and JBJS Reviews archive provides a great resource to help PAs and MPs stay current on a wide range of musculoskeletal conditions. As part of your JOPA membership, you have access to unlimited CME from JBJS Reviews. As a PA or an MP, you can obtain over 50 Category 1 credits each year. You may access CME articles two different ways on the JOPA site. If you click on the tab that says JOPA subscribers, earn CME credit for reading JBJS Reviews, you are redirected to the Orthopedic Educational Store, where a library of literature review articles can be found. The most recent articles from JBJS Reviews can be found in the left-hand column. You may choose one of the most recent articles published or search for your topic of choice at the top right corner of the page. Once you have chosen an article, you hit or click on Add to Cart and enter the discount code provided with your membership, which changes your total to 0. After finalizing the order, you will be redirected to a My Courses page, where all of your CME articles and certificates are stored. The second way of accessing CME articles is by clicking an article link under the heading JBJS Reviews CME Activities on the JOPA landing page. I'd like to highlight the JOPA Writing Incentive Program. NPs, PAs, and also PA students have a unique opportunity to earn a monetary award by submitting an article to JOPA. JOPA is looking for academic reviews of literature on a broad orthopedic topics and concise overviews of single clinical conditions, diagnostic, therapeutic, surgical procedures, or any other topic related to orthopedics, and is willing to award outstanding papers. I encourage you to register today to take advantage of the JOPA CME membership program, all for less than $100 a year. We hope that you enjoy our JOPA CME membership program and site. We look forward to hearing your feedback. Have a great day.